Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Tesla is heating up. The price action has been beautiful for the 9 EMA strategy and the break and retest. Today, I want to show you the trades that I took using the break and retest, making just about $1,500 in 5 minutes on one trade, and I just called it a day there. An awesome trade, very, very clean, without any drawdown on the trade, using a break and retest strategy. So hopefully after seeing this video, you will see how I traded this, and I will also show you multiple examples throughout the day today on Tesla of the break and retest of the 9 EMA hold. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's some education for you. If you do enjoy it, make sure to press that like button before you head out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to press that bell notification so that you guys know every single time that I post. So guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into this. Let's make this a short video. Let's pack it with education and not waste your time. So here we go. Here is the Tesla 1 minute chart. On my screen, the blue line is the 9 EMA. The green line is the 40 EMA. This represents the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. The red line is the 105 EMA. That represents the 9 EMA on the 15 minute chart. And then the gray line you see is the VWAP, just so you guys are aware. Wherever you see a green bar, a green zone, this is where I'm going to be talking about break and retest strategy, a great strategy that worked perfectly today. So first off, we were watching this in the pre-market. If you watch my pre-market live streams, we were watching this 673 level on Tesla, a beautiful pre-market support. I wanted to see that hold today at market open. We did not. We started to fall below that at market open, but what this was a beautiful washout long. So if anyone's familiar with the washout long strategy, then this was a great strategy for you guys. I didn't take this trade. I figured it was going to happen. We were talking about it on the voice chat in the Discord. You know who you are if you are watching this. So the washout long was a good strategy. It was the best entry of the day. Now, we didn't get in there. We started to move higher. We had a little bit of resistance at these pre-market highs. We fell back to this perfect 673 support, this perfect hold here at 673. We took a trade in the Discord. You know who you are. Again, if you listen to the voice chat, you can vet for me here. We were definitely calling that out. So an awesome trade there at 673. Congratulations to any of you guys that are in the chat that are watching this that got in on that trade. You could have held this thing all day and made a killer profit with that 9 EMA. But in today's video, I want to go over the trade that I took using the break and retest, because this is what this video is mainly about, and hopefully you guys can learn how to use this strategy, and this video can somewhat help you. So the first thing that I want to show you is the multiple break and retests that came today, and then we're going to jump into my trade. So first off, this is the first break and retest of the day. So you guys will see right here, this green little bar, this green little area that I shaded in. You can see we had previous resistance right here, resistance. Now, it broke through, right? We broke through that resistance here at around 947. Now, instead of taking this trade, taking that breakout trade, what you guys can wait for and what you can do, you wait for that pullback. You wait for the pullback to come back into this previous zone. It came right back into this previous zone, held that 9 EMA beautifully, and look at the move that we had off of that break and retest. A break here of resistance, a retest of it right here into that previous zone, and a curl higher on that 9 EMA. That was a beautiful entry if you guys were to miss the push through the daily highs there. So next, after that one, we continue to curl higher, continue to hold the 9 EMA, and then we get some resistance here, right? So there is some resistance, the high of day right there at around 682. You get your pullback, you get your hold here at the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. That is right here, beautiful little hold. Let's say you're still not in this, it breaks through the highs. Where is the next entry here? Here is a beautiful entry right here on a perfect break and retest of previous resistance. So you have resistance right here, resistance at 682. I'm gonna go ahead and delete these to make this a little bit more clear. You have this 682 resistance that presented itself on the day. So you have right here, we broke through it. Now, let's say you missed this breakthrough. Let's say you're not in this trade, it started to pull back. When you start to see that pullback, what is the next level that you want to be looking for? You want to be looking for where was the previous highs? Can it find support at those previous highs and turn it into support? So right here, you move lower, you break the 9 EMA, but where do we hold up? We hold up perfectly at that break and retest zone right here, previous highs, as well as the 40 EMA, which is the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. So once again, a beautiful entry here on a break and retest, very similar to an entry here on this break and retest. So 2 awesome entries here on Tesla today, those break and retests. Hopefully you see what I am showing you here. The next one is the trade that I got into using the break and retest, using the 9 EMA, and that is right here. So if we zoom out and we keep moving forward intraday, this is where I got into Tesla on an awesome break and retest, an awesome 9 EMA hold. So I'm going to zoom in here and we're going to look at this very, very close. So let me go and rescale this just a little bit. And this is where I got into Tesla. So pulling up my trades right here, trader worksheet. This is my Interactive Brokers trading account. And right here is where I got in. 11:23, I got in 5 contracts and I added 5 more. So I got in a little bit big on this one, but I wanted to scale up. I was very confident in this play. Tesla was on an incredible trend today. There was a lot of momentum, and I wanted to see if I could pull out some profit on this break and retest right here at 11:23. So we have a high right here at 11:23. Let me go ahead and pull that back up. So pulling those trades back up, sorry about that. I'm going to pin this so it doesn't go away. So we have this high here at 690. Now, I waited to see, can we break through that 690? We got that breakthrough right here. I didn't take it here. I didn't take the chase trade right here through highs. What I waited for was the pullback to the 9 EMA and the pullback to a previous level of resistance to see if it can hold as support. Very, very clean. Very, very simple. The strategy is not, brain science. This is just brain surgery. So a push through here, on highs, a pullback to the 9 EMA, and a hold of previous resistance right here as support. 11:23 is where I got in. That is right here on this candle as we started to move higher. The very beginning of this candle at 6 seconds and 2 seconds into that trade. I held it for 5 minutes total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first sign of weakness right here, I got out and I took my profits a little bit more than $1 a contract with 10 contracts. It's about a $1,500 winner here in this 5-minute spree on Tesla. Absolutely zero drawdown on this trade. I was in profit the entire time, and really all that I had to do was sit back, relax, wait for the pullback, wait for the 9 EMA hold, wait for that break and retest, and right here is where I took my trade and I striked on this incredible opportunity on a 9 EMA hold and on a break and retest. So I hope you guys can see this. I hope this is clear to you. The 9 EMA is such an incredible tool when the stock is trending like Tesla was trending today. We have multiple break and retests, multiple 9 EMA holds, and also one more thing before we head out. This deep pullback right here, I want to show you exactly where it held, which is right here at the 9 EMA on the 5 minute. So you guys can see right there, if I go to the 5-minute chart and we look at Tesla today on the 5-minute chart, you will see these deep pullbacks right here is a perfect hold of the 9 EMA on the 5-minute. The entire morning, if you just traded Tesla on the 5-minute, there were multiple pullbacks to the 9 EMA on the 5-minute, and every single one of them in the morning bounced off of it. So if we zoom back in to the 1 minute, you will see that these circles are right at these green lines, right? So here was the circle we just drew, right at that green line. Here's another one right to the green line, and right here, another green line pullback, which is the 40 EMA. So very clean action here on Tesla. Hopefully you guys can get some education out of this video. That was my trade that I took today, about $1,500 in 5 minutes, just using the 9 EMA and just looking for those break and retest previous resistance turning into support. So guys, that's really all that I had for you in today's video. I just wanted to share with you my trade, share with you the strategy that I have been using this month in the market with the 9 EMA and the break and retest. It has been an absolutely killer month. If you guys are in the Discord chat, you know the streak that we are on right now. So I'm definitely going to update you on the portfolio at the end of the month, show you my P&L, show you my trades so that I continue to be transparent here. But this strategy has killed it this month, and congratulations to everyone that's learning it and everyone that's using it. I see a lot of comments in the YouTube comment section of you guys using this strategy. So a big congratulations. Thank you again to everyone that sticks around for the live streams in the morning. Hope you guys have been seeing value from that. We've had some incredible call outs there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to join the Discord chat, it is literally $1 a day for education, for live trading, to share your thoughts and ideas with other traders and get feedback and get collaboration. So if you want to join, it is down in the description below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.